Hello, my name is Carl Becker and I am the lead developer of GameTrac, an app for individuals striving to improve performance. Let's take a look at how it works. Tap plus player to start off, and you can add anybody from your address book as a player. You can select some games which this player performs. Here we'll select basketball, soccer, and running. Now let's customize this player a little bit. Let's select a picture for him. We could take a photo if he's standing nearby, or select a photo from our photo library. Now that we've selected a picture, let's go in and track a new match. Here we'll track a basketball game, and you can see we can type in how many field goals he's made and how many he's attempted, how many rebounds, steals, and turnovers he's gotten. We could also define custom statistics if we wanted. We can also put in what position he played, the match name, who he played, the date and time of the match, season, whether they're playing at home or not. The opponent, we can put in the name of the opposing team. Everything will update, give you a reflection of what's here. Now you can share your match via Facebook, Twitter, or email. And then when you're done with the match, you tap done. You can indicate whether it was a win, loss, or a draw. You could put in some kind of note, or here, when it's a win or a loss, enter the final score of the match. You could share it on Facebook or Twitter right from this screen here. Let's try doing it from Twitter. That's what it looks like. Now when we tap done, you can see the final score is displayed there. Let's create another match, and let's just put in some more data. We can customize as much or as little as we want to using GameTrac, with a variety of different stats to track, and with big easy buttons for you to use so you are able to concentrate on the match that you're at and not staring at your phone the whole time. That's a big thing. We want it to be easy to input these numbers so you can still enjoy the game you're at. Let's look at the stats for this match. In fact, for this player, over all basketball matches that we have in the app right now. You can see we've got different field goals, we've got averages, we've got a graph showing how things are improving over time, and in fact even how turnovers are going down over time. Now let's make one more match so we can add a little more interesting view and some more numbers to consider for the statistics screen. It's easy to add. You can put in a new match, just let it run while you're sitting on the sidelines watching your son, daughter, or friend play. You can see after the game how it compares to the average, each match. And you can also go back and make changes to a match even after you've finished it. Now let's add another player. Here we're going to add Anna. We're going to customize Anna, give her a picture. We could select some other games if we know that Anna likes playing something else. And let's do that for Daniel right now. Let's add a new game. Because instead of running, he really wants to track biking. So we're going to track biking. We can add a new stat type. There's nothing in there yet. Win-loss is not applicable for biking. It's just, did you finish your bike ride or not? Here we'll add distance. We can define length in a few different ways. And let's add one more for the time. You could do things like large values are better. If you wanted your time to be shorter, then you could define a shorter time, maybe for a race. You can define seasons and positions, but right now, for biking, there wouldn't be much of a position necessary. You might have different biking seasons, though, the summer of one year versus the summer of the next year. And GameTrac would keep track of it separately. Here we can see you can tap in the distance. You can start a timer that will just start running. It'll keep running even while you have GameTrac closed. You can override the value if you need to, and tap done when you're complete. You could enter in a note, and again, you could post this to Facebook or Twitter, or email the stats to a friend. Hope you've enjoyed taking a look at GameTrac. Hope you enjoy the app. Make sure to let us know what you think about it.